in sophomore year, I wanted to start this because I didn't really have like a consistent group to play Dungeons and Dragons with, and I really wanted to. So I decided to like actually start pushing for it more. Miss Whalen and Miss Comstock actually had the idea a little bit before me, and I started a hard pushing for it until it actually became a club near the end of my sophomore year, and now it's what you guys see today.
18 and 18 to 18s.
People can play board games, they can play tabletop games such as Dungeons and Dragons or Warhammer. We don't have any Warhammer players right now, but if they were to come and want to play, they are more than welcome to. They could also play card games like Magic the Gathering or just Go Fish if they wanted to. It's basically, think of it more of like, instead of video games, we're more focused on, I guess, board games.
The meetings mostly consist of like the beginning is like if there's something interesting to announce, like such as the Magic the Gathering tournament, or if we need to, or like at the end of the year's coming up, we have to vote for a new president, or actually just new officers in general.
Honestly, I feel like it connects people a lot more with video games. Don't get me wrong, I love playing video games. I know life a lot of video games, but I feel like this like brings like a tighter connection than some video games can provide.
It's a lot more personable, and I myself a few years ago wasn't able to really socialize with a lot of people. So this has been a way for me to not be me, but instead just someone else completely. So that really definitely helped.
I want to hear this from the other two.
Come on, guys, be positive.
I love seeing new people like try to learn how to do this. I love seeing what people can make on their own. So I love to push them in the right direction, find the right group, to work with the right people. I love it.
We're a pretty accepting group. Most of us are a little on the younger side. There are some seniors here, but everyone's willing to welcome you, open up to like having you join their games, or having you join in a game of Uno if you wanted to. You've got a good shot of like playing with everybody here. So you know what? Go for it.